Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made these really pretty fall home decor pieces using Halloween items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my Glam stacked boxes, I picked up 3 of these Halloween boxes, some self-adhesive diamond wrap, Mod Podge, and a sponge brush, this Ivory apple barrel paint that I picked up from Walmart for 50 cents, some extra fine glitter, my glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was add 3 coats of my Ivory acrylic paint to all 3 of my storage boxes. Once those boxes were completely dry, I made sure that I could still open them, and then I used my hot glue to attach the diamond wrap along the sides of each of my boxes. This diamond wrap is self-adhesive, but I do find that the diamond wrap does lift from the adhesive strip on the back over time. So to avoid this, I use the hot glue to help keep the diamond wrap in place. Next, to help hide some of the print on the boxes, as well as some of the imperfections of the acrylic paint, I mixed Mod Podge and gold glitter together, and I added that mixture to the remaining parts of my storage boxes. Again, I allowed my boxes to completely dry, and then as you can see, I added some additional gold diamond wrap and a couple of flower mesh embellishments to the front of my boxes, and here was my finished look. Next, for my flower arrangement, I used one of these Carveable Pumpkins, the remainder of my Ivory acrylic paint, these gold thumbtacks, a piece of Floral Foam, 2 bunches of Dollar Tree flowers, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was use my X-Acto knife to remove the center of my pumpkin. Next, I added 3 coats of my Ivory acrylic paint to my pumpkin, and I allowed my pumpkin to dry completely. Once my pumpkin was completely dry, I then added a small piece of the floral foam to the center, and then I used some hot glue to attach the gold thumbtacks to my pumpkin as well. Next, I used my crafting toothbrush to help me remove all of the glue strings. To complete the project, I cut my flowers from their stems, pushed them down into the floral foam, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my welcome sign, I used one of these large beware signs, some of these metal words, 2 bunches of flowers, some gold leaf ribbon that I had from a previous project, some Mod Podge, gold spray paint, my fix-all adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. Again, I'll leave the complete list for all 3 projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the ribbon hanger from my sign, and then I spray painted the back of my sign with my gold metallic spray paint. Once that was dry, I added a thin layer of the Mod Podge to my sign, and then I attached the gold ribbon right on top. I allowed that to dry for about 20 minutes, and then I used my hot glue and hot glue gun to attach my metal words to the top and bottom of my sign. Next, I spread out my flowers, and then I used my hot glue and fix-all adhesive to attach the entire bunch to the center of my sign. Next, for my second bunch of flowers, I removed the flowers completely from the stems, and then I used hot glue to attach a flower to the top and bottom corners of my sign and to fill in some gaps in the center of my sign as well without covering up all of the greenery. I trimmed away any excess ribbon from the sides of my sign as well. To complete the project, I used my X-Acto knife to reopen the holes at the top of my sign. I then returned the ribbon back to its original position, adding some hot glue to the back of the ribbon to ensure it stayed in place. And here was my finished look. I later added a silver glitter ribbon to my stem, and I think that this turned out beautiful. So there you have it, guys. 3 really pretty fall home decor pieces that we made using Halloween items that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.